What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how you can add stocks on your chart in investigating.com. So it's all about having your own my watch list and adding the particular stocks charts that you want in that particular platform. So let's get started guys. Just firstly just go to your investigating.com app or the website and log in with your account. Then just go to top and then you'll find this my watch list. Just go over here and now remember guys, firstly you have to create your own watch list. So mine is over here and I have some of the stocks over here. So now what you can do is over here you have the option that said add symbol. Over here you have to search for that particular stock that you want to add in the chart. So let me just go with Bitcoin, or let's go with Bitcoin, and this Bitcoin of USD, or let's say euro, and you can choose this and now you can see it is added over here. So that's how you do it guys. That's pretty simple, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.